Yeah, so continuous learning means never saying that I know it all, always willing to open your eyes to opportunities, looking at another district who has maybe had some challenges, but have figured out some bright spots and how to navigate that. I want to hear that. I've never arrived. My district, we do some incredible work serving kids, but it's never enough. Like if somebody else is doing something in a different way, if they've navigated through a challenge, I want to know, because we're never above learning more. And I think it is really about lifelong learning, because when you're in a space where people have done things and have, being able to share that with others through the workshops, the number of workshops that happened here, also, to the keynote speakers, learning from some panelists that I was able to learn from, that's great work, because culture, future, everything is changing and evolving so quickly. We have to stay cutting edge. And we can't repeat the same thing over and over and over without really finding solutions to some of the situations we're dealing with in schools. And so love the continuous learning model, because we always continue to grow.